Hey, it's Arlicia.
And it's your girl, Kishana.
All right, so last week we told you I was going to talk about what's needed for that pre-approval, right? That you decided you was going to get.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about the general, and then let's do a little loan talk, right?
Okay.
About each loan, right? Because
Okay.
everybody's a little different, right?
Okay.
All
Right.
So different, right?
Okay.
All
Right.
So you need a job.
But you need income.
You need income. Let me correct that. You need income.
Because everybody's like, wait a minute, I got some income, but I got no job.
Because you might have Social Security, child support, pension, retirement money, disability. You may even have a trust. You need income, right? You may have
Rental income.
Rental income. It's still income, right?
It is.
You need to have income, okay?
Yes.
Number one.
You need to have a history.
And a history and a continuance of that income.
Oh, yeah.
You need to have some decent credit. Decent is really, okay. It depends on the loan type, right?
It really do.
Okay, so VA doesn't have a credit limit, a credit report limit. Technically, that's one we're going to give you all the intricate details on. So VA does not have a minimum credit score.
Per the rules.
Per the handbook. And thank you to our vets. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you to our military. We appreciate y'all.
So much.
So much. FHA, you need a 550 technically.
But you got to have money.
But you got to have money. But that's a requirement for pre-approval. We're just giving you the requirements for pre-approval, right?
Yeah.
We ain't telling you if you're going to be pre-approved or not.
Disclaimer, everyone's profile is different.
There we go.
Okay.
You got to have conventional, they changed their guidelines. You can go 580. But, I mean, who's going to get pre-qualified on a 580?
Baby, the way them interest rates,
Yeah,
them LLPA set.
So really, you need a 620, 640.
And that's
and you really, if you got a 620, 640, and you going conventional, I don't know. Go FHA. I mean, I'm just saying, go FHA.
It's gonna be
that mortgage insurance gonna be out the roof.
A challenge and heal, but
I don't see why somebody would do it.
It doesn't make sense.
It probably wouldn't be beneficial.
No.
Unless they're buying over the loan limit amount. Otherwise, and the way they got this stuff set up, and the USDA, which you need really like, well, it depends on the lender. One, because 620, 660, it just it just depends. USDA don't let you go real low. They can be a little funny.
And that's the part we want to tell you too. What the rule and guideline book says will be different than whatever bank
what the lender said, because they'll have their rules on top of it. Plus, you just may not qualify.
It didn't.
You just may not qualify. Because they set these rules up, and then you like, well, I meet the credit score. Well, I can't buy. You just may not. May not get the pre-approval. So you got the income. You need some income. You need some credit, depending on your loan. You need some money from somewhere. Somebody got to pay for all the stuff that got to be paid for. Now, we got a video on down payment assistance. Go back and watch it. We're not talking about that today.
Not even.
We're just telling you got to have money. You got to pay your down payment. You got to pay your closing costs. You got to pay earnest money, inspections. You need money. Where it come from, that's not this video.
You might buy down your rates. You need money for that too. You might need what's called reserves.
Yeah, you might need reserve. Ooh, that part. Ooh. We're not talking about where you're going to get the money from. Okay, we're just telling you need it. Okay.
And there's rules to where you get it from too. We can't take it under your mattress. I just want to go ahead and let you know that.
Not somebody calling me yesterday, girl, talking about they got $15,000. Can they go deposit in a bank account? And you can't. No. That's a whole nother story for, this kind of stuff happens. What we say was going to be called? Stuff we deal with.
We can't make this up.
We can't make this up.
There's just certain things, I'm telling y'all, we can't make this. It's going to sound crazy. But we can't make this up.
It really be the truth. Okay, so you need that to get pre-approved.
Yeah.
That's just surface level, right?
Then we need the documentation.
To prove all of this.
We got to have documentation, y'all, that can be proven. There's so many scams going on nowadays?
My husband, my baby daddy. I'm giving a scenario now, okay? My baby daddy paid me $1,000 a week. Oh, okay, great, yeah. How long you been paying it? Oh, he's been paying it ever since the child was born. The child 5 years old. Okay. Proof.
Is it through the courts, or is it just him?
Just him paying
feeling generous.
Just him feeling generous.
So it's voluntarily.
It's voluntary.
Oh,
Where's the proof? Oh, he give me cash.
Oh.
Scratch.
Can't help you.
You can't prove it.
Can't help you. Should have told him to Zelle.
You should have told him to Zelle.
Not even cash app, Zelle.
Zelle. So you want to get pre-approved, you got these things you need, and you got to prove everything you tell me. You're going to fill out the application, right?
Thoroughly and honestly.
And completely. And we're going to verify everything on the application. 30 days worth of pay stubs to verify your pay. 2 months of bank statements to verify your money.
If you self-employed and you out here making that entrepreneur money, we're going to have to see 2 years tax returns. Now, there are certain cases that you might be able to get one, okay? But you got to be in business for 5 years. Let me just put that part out there.
And so I said pay stubs. W-2s, if you're employed with a job. Bank statements, copy of your ID. You need to have a passport, a driver's license, a valid government issued ID. Let's just say that. Like your driver's license can't be expired.
And if you got a common name, we're just going to let you know we need that social.
Yeah. Because they're going to be asking for verification. They're going to run you through a fraud guard.
Yeah.
Fraud
baby.
guard.
Listen, fraud guard is art.
They run you. Okay. We'll talk about that.
That's a whole other way, baby.
We will talk about
that. Every time.
Every time. When they be lying, we're gonna talk about that because that's how that stuff that come up. So what you need, you need to buy. You need to have your ducks in a row.
So we're gonna have to recap. Document wise.
Okay, so we're getting pre-approved. What's needed?
We're gonna need some W-2s from you. We're gonna need your pay stubs for the recent 30 days. Recent 30 days. Don't give me 3 months ago.
Please.
Recent 30 days. I'm going to need 2 months of them bank statements. If you're an entrepreneur out here getting your money and hustling, I'm going to need 2 years of them tax returns played because I know what you make. A lot of y'all ain't claiming it. And we got to do with the claim. Because I know y'all think y'all be trying to play Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam got it on all aspects.
Because you're going to pay one way or another. But we ain't going to talk about that today. You're going to pay. You're going to pay.
We need your government issued ID. What else I'm missing?
You said pay stubs, bank statements.
W-2s.
Or tax returns. All pages. And
Baby.
And if you own a business and pay yourself on a pay stub, you still got to give me your business tax return. Just so you're like,
we need the whole paper trail.
Yeah, I need your corporations and your personal. Like,
find somebody else to play with.
Yeah, because they'll pay themselves $100,000 and the business ain't make. I mean, I'm just saying because you're not gonna lie, okay?
The math ain't mathing.
It's not. So you need your paperwork in the world, right?
Yeah. And if you have like any type of income, like pension, disability, we need the letter.
We need the letter and proof of receipt that you actually get it, right? You're on a job, you got to have job history. Now there's some misconceptions that we need to talk about because people think that they gotta have, but they actually don't have to have to get pre-approved.
And we gonna talk about that.
And that's probably what you want to make sure you stick around for that one because that's important. Plenty of people can buy and think they can't buy. So tune into this next video that'll be coming up next week so we can talk about that.
Because the misconceptions be real. Because a lot of y'all could have been bought a house
way long time ago. So, I said it just that way long time ago.
So we're going to see you next week, and we're going to talk about these misconceptions.
We're going to talk about
We're going to get you right. Bye, y'all.
Bye. Love you. Bye.